Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to convert opportunity to work order in Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. Like you are trying to sell something to your customer, and before customer buys that the particular product, you need to show some demo at customer location. So what we'll need to do? So you need to do carry that product with you and you need to visit customer location and you need to show a demo of that product, and then based on that customer will buy or customer will not buys. And if a customer buys, then you will be closing the opportunity as won, and if the customer did not buy, then you will be closing the opportunity as lost. Now I will explain how to convert opportunity to work order. So this is the service area. Now select this area and then click on sales from here, and now click on opportunity from here, and list of opportunity is visible here. Now click on new button. So first give the topic of the opportunity. So I am giving as test opportunity, and select contact from here. And if you want to create new contact, so you can create it from here. So now I am selecting Alex Baker and then select account, and now I am selecting as Cafe Duo. Now click on purchase time frame drop down and select as immediate. And if you want to give more detail, so you can give it. Now click on opportunity lines tab and then click on price list from here. So if you want to create new price list, you can create it from here. So I am selecting this price list, and now click on field service tab from here and select the work order type. So I am selecting as maintenance and request. Now click on save button. Now convert this opportunity to work order. So click on three dot and then click on convert to work order, and now click on OK button. So it is successfully convert it. Basically, work order is a record that tracks the details of a service request such as task, issue or maintenance. Work that need to be performed at a customer location. So in this video, we covered what are work order and how to convert opportunity to work order in Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. Thanks for watching.